guys, welcome back to my channel again. I decided to go somewhere nearer to me, which is Putrajaya. I think everyone know what is Putrajaya. That is our central administration, government officers and all that. Okay, so did any one of you ever been really to Putrajaya for other than work purpose? So I've never been. I've been many times to Putrajaya for work purposes, but this time I took the initiative just to travel. Putrajaya is so beautiful, okay, especially the architecture of the building, where each building has their own unique. I was amazed. Go for a day trip. So I took my nephew along. So just check out my video. But before that, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Watch the video until the end because that will help me for my channel to grow, and also like and leave your comment. Okay guys, thank you. Let's go to my video.
Push over the limits with you.